2, 1, 0. Ignition. And liftoff. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
Pitching downrange.
M1D chamber pressure is nominal.
Acquisition signal, send equal sign.
We are T plus 42 seconds into flight. Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Space Launch Complex 4E,
nominal.
carrying our 53 Starlink satellites into space. Moments ago, we began to throttle down those 9 engines on the first stage in preparation for a period known as max Q. This is where the vehicle will experience the highest amount of aerodynamic pressures.
Max Q.
And that was the confirmation of max Q. Coming up in about a minute, we have a series of events happening back to back. First up is MECO, or main engine cutoff. This is where the the 9 engines on the bottom of the first stage will shut off in preparation for stage separation. This is where the 2 stages will separate from one another, with the second stage continuing with SES-1.